Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of converting 6 gallons to liters. Are you looking to convert 6 gallons to liters but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't worry, it's an easy conversion that can be done in just a few steps. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step and provide examples to help you master this skill. First, let's start with the conversion factor. 1 gallon is approximately equal to 3.78541 liters. To convert gallons to liters, all you need to do is multiply the number of gallons by this conversion factor. For instance, imagine you have 6 gallons of water to convert to liters. By multiplying 6 by 3.78541, you'll find it equals approximately 22.71246 liters. That's it! Your 6 gallons of water equate to approximately 22.71246 liters. But what if you want to convert 6 liters of juice into gallons? No problem. To convert liters to gallons, divide the number of liters by the conversion factor of 3.78541. Suppose you have 6 liters of juice. Dividing by 3.78541 gives approximately 1.58503 gallons. Remember to round to the nearest hundredth, so your final answer is approximately 1.59 gallons. There you have it. Converting 6 gallons to liters and vice versa is straightforward once you understand the conversion factor. With a bit of practice, you'll effortlessly navigate between gallons and liters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. For more conversion tips and tricks, subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.